Jeff here. I hope you guys have enjoyed your stay so far. In this video, I'm just going to show you a couple of quick things about the boat, how to operate it, how to turn it on, a couple of safety tips, and some nuances about the boat so that you can just get on and have an enjoyable, fun time without any issues. So with that being said, we'll get started. So before you get started, the first thing you got to do is, number one, make sure that you check the gas and everything is good to go there. In addition to making sure that you've got a full tank of gas, you also want to make sure that you pump the bulb a few times just to kind of get the gas going before you try to start the ignition. So here I'm going to show you how to do that. So in here we've got our gas can and then we've got a bulb. Okay, so you're just going to pump this 2 or 3 times until it gets nice and firm. Now before you try to turn on the ignition, you got to make sure that the boat is in neutral. In order to do that, you've got to actually pull your lever out all the way to the left. Okay, so we're going to show you an angle here. This actually pulls out to the left, and then what I do is I pull it backwards like this, putting it in reverse, but in neutral. Once you've got it in neutral and in kind of reverse, what you're going to do is you're going to actually push the key in and then turn it. And then it'll fire up. Starting it for the first time, the engine's probably going to be cold. So you want to give it an opportunity to kind of warm up a little bit. So to do that, again, you kind of have it in reverse here, just kind of give it a little bit of gas. What you want to do is maybe bring the RPMs up to about 2 and just let them hold there for anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes, just while everybody's kind of getting on the boat. Get that going. That way that'll kind of warm the engine up. If it begins to idle really low, you want to just kind of give it some more gas. Keep that engine going. If it dies in the process of you doing this, you got to just kind of start all over. So you pull it out into neutral, drop it down, and then push the key in and turn. Now once you've had the engine kind of idling for a few minutes and warming up, then you're going to want to just begin your disembark. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you how to do that now. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and pull these guys up out of the water. That way you're not wasting time while you're unlatching the boat. So I'll do that first, and then simply unhook, put it on there. Unhook, put it on here. Now that we've got the boat unhooked from the dock, we're ready to go. So come in, make sure that you got the gate closed so that's not flapping in the breeze. Maybe give it a quick little push off, and then we're ready to go. Put it into reverse gently, keep it away from the dock. If you want to have somebody there to make sure you don't bump into it, it's probably a good idea. It's simply just a matter of clamping it back onto the dock and you're all set. Before you disembark from the boat, you put it away for the day or for the night, make sure that all the power is turned off, okay? And that you've taken the faceplate off of the stereo and put that back inside. You want to make sure that you don't end up with a drained battery. Now, if you get out there and the boat dies, it does that sometimes. It's an older outboard motor, so it happens on occasion. If it does happen to you, don't worry about it. You just follow those same steps. Just put it into neutral, push the key in, turn it, and then you're ready to go. You might just want to rev it up a little bit, make sure that there's enough fuel and everything in the lines. But you shouldn't have any troubles. The boat has been fully gone over by a certified mechanic. Everything is good to go. So hope you guys enjoy your stay. Have a fun time on the boat. Remember, be safe and have a blast.